General Torre is to divert the attention of the public doon sa issue ng anomalous flood control projects right now?
Hindi naman siguro. Mas more on tingin ko talaga internal conflict yan kay Torre. Hindi sila nagkakasundo kasi nagsimula na yun nung kay Remulla, di ba? Nagkakasagutan sila. Hindi mo naman din masasabi na diversionary tactic because the President himself ay ginagamit na yung flood control projects na PR niya. So I think it's blowing up on his own face right now. Siguro pwede. Kasi gusto niya maging parang tagapagsalita ng mga nangyayari sa flood control projects, and yet going back sa sinabi ko yesterday, responsibilidad niya naman talaga yon. Dapat, in the first place, he did not allow it to happen. Yun naman talaga dapat.
Mayor Baste, on a different matter, what is your comment about the statement of Senator Riza Hontiveros about the extradition of Pastor Apollo Kibuloy doon sa kaso niya, allegedly doon sa United States? Do you have a comment about that, sir?
Hindi ko alam kung ano talaga yung problema ng US kay Pastor Kibuloy. Pero alam niyo talaga, mga Amerikano, pulis-pulisan yan sa mundo. Tingnan niyo, kahit saang lahat ng mga bansa na pinuntahan ng mga yan, lalo na dito sa mga Arab countries, sira talaga. You think of one country na pinuntahan ng mga yan na hindi nasira at hindi binomba o walang nangyaring rehimen, palit. They operate like a different thing. They're the hegemon. So there's nothing you can do about it. They have the weapons, they have the power, they have the resources to do what they want anywhere in the world. So kung ano yung issue nila kang Pastor Kibuloy, hindi natin alam, but has always been the case. Everywhere they go,